How to write winning proposals with AI. When did you last lose a job to someone who charged more than you? It happens constantly. Usually, it's not about price, it's about the proposal. They looked more professional, more put together, more like they understood what the client needed. If you're still writing quotes by hand or copying old emails, this will change your week. We're walking through exactly how to use AI to write proposals that win clients. Personal, professional, and deal closing. Start here before you touch AI. Gather your raw materials first. AI writes fast, but only works with what you feed it. Before writing any prompt, pull together what the client told you in their words, your price and timeline, what's included, 1 or 2 sentences on why you're the right fit, and any concerns they mentioned. Here's the honest limitation: AI doesn't know your client. You do. If you just type, "Write me a landscaping proposal," you'll get something generic. But paste in actual details. They want a backyard redesign, have $4,500, got burned by a contractor who went over budget, and you'll get something that speaks to them. The right way to prompt AI. Think of it like briefing a smart assistant before a meeting. Tell it your business type, paste client context, spell out exactly what you're offering including price and timeline, specify tone, warm but professional, no fluff, and give a format. Intro, scope of work, pricing breakdown, closing. Real example: writing a proposal for a property manager overseeing 12 rental units. They want reliable service after a previous cleaner kept canceling. Offering bi-weekly cleaning at $185 per unit per visit, starting in 2 weeks. Write professionally, addressing their reliability concern in the closing. That gets you something usable in 1 or 2 shots. AI gets you 80%, you get to 100%. Read what it generates. Add the client's actual name throughout. Replace vague phrases like dedicated team with specific facts about your business. Double-check pricing and timeline match exactly what you said. Add at least 1 sentence referencing something specific from your conversation. It shows you listened. Proposals that convert feel written for a specific person, not pulled from a template. Pricing and follow-up. Clients get confused by unclear pricing. AI is genuinely good at turning your pricing into clear language with no jargon. If you offer tiered pricing, AI can frame each option so the middle tier naturally looks most attractive. That's honest salesmanship. While your context is loaded, ask AI to write one more thing: a follow-up email. Most owners send proposals and wait. Mistake. A short follow-up 2 or 3 days later dramatically increases response rates. Just 3 sentences, checking in, offering to answer questions, mentioning you can adjust scope if needed. You've got a full system in under 20 minutes. Proposal, pricing, follow-up, done. Which tool? ChatGPT is most flexible for proposals from scratch. The free version handles this work well. Claude is also strong for nuanced writing. Dedicated platforms like Better Proposals add e-signatures and tracking, but cost more. For most small business owners starting out, plain ChatGPT gets you there. Bottom line: you've probably lost a job to a competitor charging more. The difference usually isn't your skills or price, it's presentation. A clear, personalized, professionally written proposal tells clients you're organized, you listened, and you'll deliver. AI helps you do that in 20 minutes. The rest is hitting send.